Hello. So I'm starting off the video with these already in just because I didn't talk when I was installing them. I'm realizing like when I was putting them in, I was dead silence. So this is future Tatiana showing you already what's going on. But I wanted to do this in two parts just because I wanted to show you how it looks like when it's straightened. This is like about 2 days in, and it has like a little wave to it from just me sleeping and like not really doing anything. But right now we're gonna put some curls into it. I'm debating if I want to do like some big body curls or if I want to do like some light, like I don't know, like a cute little light wave. I don't know. Right now this is like my leave out. I kind of did like my fake leave out and my clip-ins onto the side, but I don't know, girl. These are good. Like obviously from the last time you saw me work with this brand, Curlsqueen, it was the curly hair one. I'll insert a clip. And when I was working with them, I was shook because I was just like, this matches my hair texture completely. And so they asked me if I wanted to do a straight hair one, and I noticed, I was like, okay, do I want to do where it's like, is it gonna match my hair? Because my hair gets really frizzy when it's straightened just because I don't straighten it at all. So I was like, I hope this will be able to match my hair texture when it's like I'm not doing anything. And when I say so far, like only thing I have to say, and it's just because it's me, my hair doesn't fully, like my leave out, when I dyed my hair, I dyed it dark brown, but it faded into like a red in the sun, I guess, like a dark red. Right now it looks completely blended in when it's like not mixed or not in the sunlight, but when I'm in the sunlight you can see, but it doesn't matter. So yeah, I feel like starting, that shows me how much my hair grew too. So like starting here, this is where it gets really brown, but that shows you like this is how much my hair has grown since I've cut it, which is such a, I don't know, it's so nice. So I'm gonna put some curls in it. I'm probably not gonna talk during this part as well, just because, girl, I'm just putting curls in my head. But yeah, just watch me do it. Give it a little new style to this, because I'm trying to maybe do a little something after, I don't know, or just chill in the house. But let's look cute while we're doing it, you know? sit for maybe like an hour, and I just ate some food, and now we're gonna take these cute curls out. I'm excited. I'm gonna get a wide tooth comb, and I already sprayed some like spritz on top, so ooh, I just feel like this is gonna look so cute. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna play some music. Y'all know the drill. Let's take these out. Okay, I feel like I have a sew-in, but like, you know those sew-ins that you watch on like Instagram, and you see those girls get their hair done and you're just like, I want that right now. That's what's gonna make me feel better. Yeah, like the curls, I was nervous that they were gonna be too tight, but they like just fell effortlessly. Like, it's not too much. I know when this falls it's gonna be really cute. But yeah, this is the Coarse Yaki extensions. This is 24 inches, and I'm not that tall. I'm 5'5". I tell people I'm 5'6" on a good day though. So they're pretty long on me, but they mix well. This is literally, my hair is out right here. Like, majority of my hair is literally out. So, well, not majority, but like just this here. But yeah, these look so good. But yeah, thank you, Curlsqueen. Y'all know, y'all be eating up with these clip-ins. Like, you don't even have to do like a sewing. You literally could just clip this and clip this out, because this is like, this is secure. Now, you don't be doing too much, obviously. You don't be going too crazy, but this is literally like perfect. Okay, but yeah, so this is the end of the video. I hope that you guys love this, and I will talk to y'all soon.